Hey everybody, how are you? Happy December 1st. A little confused on the days lately because of the way Thanksgiving followed and everything. Yeah, this is White Boot Santa. I've had this since I was a kid. My mom bought it, I'm not sure, but I heard it's kind of a famous Santa Claus, and I forgot the name of it. Worth a little money. But White Boots comes and visits every December. Yeah, I know. But anyway, this is a great display. It looks good after so many years. A long time. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to show this to you. So hi, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I have been really busy, and I just want to come on for my normal post on Monday, say hello, do a little recap of the last few days. I was in northern Michigan, stayed one night in Traverse City, and I haven't done that, I don't think, ever. And I had a really nice time. Even a better time at Petoskey during our little small snowmageddon. A little bit. We had a blizzard up there, but I was with my chosen family. Had a great time. You know, a lot of food, a lot of wine, a lot of laughs, good times. But I love them so much up there. So thank you to Valerie and Jake, the kids, Jeremy and Adam and everybody. It was a nice time. It was a short visit because I left on Friday, right before the storm was to hit here in Chicago. I drove through some crummy weather Friday, a little bit south of there for about an hour and a half or so, and then everything was fine. There was no snow here in Chicago on Friday, and then Saturday, boom, it all happened. I was supposed to have a Friendsgiving on Saturday. Instead, it got moved to yesterday on Sunday. Had a great time. Thank you to the Iddings family out in Huntley. We had just a great time, and I give away jam. You know, I make jam during the summer, so I gave away jam to everybody at both places. That's kind of what I do. So you're the lucky recipient of Gregor's jam. I don't sell it, give it away. So that's what's going on right now. December 1st is hit. It's World AIDS Day. We have to stop the stigma, share the stories, and lastly, find a cure. We're getting very close. And that hit me personally with the loss of my first boyfriend in college, James Minterfering, who I remember all the time. So this is a special day for me. If you're on Facebook, it's a piece I've shared for a long time that I wrote about him, my reflection of James. So thinking about him. Speaking of James, I was able to see his mother up in Petoskey for lunch with a cousin of mine, Baird, and who I call Pam, James's mother, my mother-in-law. But we had a great time sharing stories and stuff. So fortunate, I haven't seen her in 7 years. So, and glad to be in touch with that family. Still, just very honored with that. Moving forward to December, I don't have any Christmas plans this year. I decorated during the storm on Saturday. I will show you that on Thursday. What I did took 4 hours, honey, from noon until 4. It was a long time pulling stuff out, decorating, putting it back. I was a little exhausted just from the last 2 days and decorating on Saturday. Oh, yeah. But I'm looking forward to the 21st of December as I'm going to Vegas to go see the Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. That's my treat for me. I use some points and different things, so it's not costing me a lot, but I'm going there. I'm not a big fan of Vegas. Sorry, Vegas fans, but I'm just going to see the Wizard of Oz, hang out, going in on a Sunday, coming back on a Wednesday just before Christmas, and then hanging out here in Chicago on Christmas. And hear my friends go, please stop that. So anyway, I got laundry to do. I got contracts to do for next year for lecture stuff. And I hope you're well. Wanted to check in with you. And you're going to see a few pictures from the last few days up in Petoskey and out and about what I've been doing. Petoskey, Michigan, by the way, for those of you that don't know. Have a great day. Subscribe, like, and share. Glad to see you. That's all I got, folks. Enjoy the video. I will talk to you soon. I'm seeing my time up here. I'm running like 4 minutes over. Somebody's gonna say, too long of a video, Greg. Sorry. I'll see you soon on Thursday. Take care.